Tired of your business tools feeling like isolated islands? Today, we're diving into how to bridge those gaps and unlock a world of efficiency by integrating Aisensy with your other platforms. First, log into your Aisensy account. Once you're in, navigate to the Integration section, usually found in the Settings or Configuration area. Might be represented by an icon of connected chains or a plug. Click on the Integrations option. This will take you to a page listing the available integrations. Here, you'll see a variety of platforms that Aisensy can connect with, from CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot to marketing tools like MailChimp, and even spreadsheet software like Google Sheets. Browse the list and identify the platform you want to integrate. Let's say you want to integrate with Zapier. Click on the Zapier icon. You'll now be presented with instructions specific to Zapier. Typically, this involves copying your Aisensy API key, which acts like a password allowing Zapier to access your Aisensy data. You may need to create a Zapier account if you don't already have one. Follow the on-screen prompts. This may involve pasting the API key into Zapier or authorizing the connection through an auth flow, where you grant Zapier permission to access your Aisensy account. Now, within Zapier, you can create Zaps automated workflows. You can set Aisensy as a trigger, meaning something happening in Aisensy kicks off the Zap, or as an action, meaning Zapier updates Aisensy based on events and other apps. Configure your Zap to automate tasks, like adding new leads from Aisensy to your CRM, or sending personalized messages based on activity. Your e-commerce platform. The possibilities are endless. And that's it. With Aisensy integrated, you'll be automating tasks, streamlining workflows, and boosting your overall efficiency.